QuadJoy, freeing the disabled. Line and lure. This is the hose that transfers pressure from the stick or mouthpiece to the pressure sensor inside. Now, if saliva gets inside the line and lure, it needs to be replaced to protect the circuitry inside. Connect to the QuadJoy base and then attach to the mouthpiece securely. Hydrophobic filter in the right hand and stick straw in the left hand. This provides multi-layers of protection for the circuits inside your QuadJoy. Quick and easily replaceable. Screw the side stick into the hydrophobic filter, then screw the assembly onto the QuadJoy. Be sure to hold the joystick magnet holder so it doesn't twist while assembling or disassembling the filter and stick. Be careful not to over-tighten or you may damage the threads. There's no need to take the QuadJoy off the arm end for replacement. Our website is quad.life and our email is quadjoy@gmail.com. QuadJoy, freeing the disabled.